Hey, it's Lou. How you doing? I've been getting a few questions about the course that I'm starting Monday. It's a course about completing your course. So just in case there's any confusion, I want to talk to you a little bit about what's included and the bonuses and all that good stuff. So I'll go to the sales page and just walk through some of the highlights with you so that you know exactly what you're getting and what result you'll get from being part of this. So this Record Your Damn Course, the live component starts Monday, November 17th at 1 p.m. Eastern. Everything's recorded. All the replays will be available. So we're going to do this live together starting Monday, the 17th of November. And after that, it will be a self-study or self-paced course. I've got a lovely little video for you that explains some things. And what you'll come away with here is a course that's ready to launch, totally ready to go, or at least, depending on where you are in the process, a draft that's just about ready to roll. Also, this is a repeatable process, a repeatable system that will let you come back and do this for any course or any product that you want to create. I mean, it'll even work for books or podcasts, really. We're going to give you information and resources on how to set up your gear to look professional, to make sure that you're not cringy on camera. And regardless of what gear you have or what your setup is, we're going to help you get it so that it works for you and you can just show up and start teaching. On camera confidence, I've got a special bonus just for this piece about showing up on camera and not being cringy like I used to be. We're going to show you some really easy but high-end editing skills, and we'll show you how to use Descript to clean up your recordings and make them ready for prime time. And of course, there's some structure and accountability so that you'll actually get this done. If you've got a course that's 80% done or even 10% done, or you've got an idea for a product that you want to do, this is the way to get it done. So it's going to get you unstuck and out of what I call course purgatory and get you ready to sell. And I did this intentionally before Black Friday, because if you're really quick and you dive in and do the work, you'll have a course ready to sell for Black Friday, which is kind of cool, or anytime. So again, it's about getting your course filmed, finished, and launch ready in 5 days, starting next week, step-by-step hands-on workshop. We'll plan, record, and complete the course together in 5 days. So you don't need to overthink it. You don't need any fancy equipment. All you need is the direction and resources and the process that I'm going to share with you and teach you. I've spent 20 years making people look good and get comfy on camera, and I want to help you with that as well. So it's totally a real course. I mean, I'm teaching it. It's my system. There'll be some AI elements to help you. But I know that after 20 years in Hollywood and online marketing, I have built this repeatable system that makes course creation fast, simple, and professional. And I have done scores of courses. So I'm using something called the CRED system, C-R-E-D. Create, record, edit, and distribute. It's a simple, repeatable process. And once I show you how to do it, you're going to be able to come back and do this forever so that you can finally finish the course that's been stuck in your head or on your hard drive and get it out there in the world. So we've got 5 live sessions, and we'll do this together if you're doing it live with me. After Monday, it will be a self-paced self-study course. So day 1, we're going to nail the plan, and I'm going to give you my Hollywood pre-production checklist. Day 2, we'll prep the shoot. You don't have to worry about gear. We're going to show you how to look and sound like a pro using what you already have, even if it's just an iPhone. On day 3, we're going to talk about scripting and streamlining. We'll show you my 3-part framework and video hacks so that you sound good, look good, and you're ready to roll. Day 4 is recording. You'll batch record your course using my batch and flow method to keep energy up and perfection out of the way. By the end, your course isn't just an idea anymore. It's actually recorded. And then day 5, polish and publish. We'll organize and edit your content using my simple AI-assisted system. And the result is that your course is finished, launch ready, and ready to make money. There are some frequently asked questions here that folks have been asking, so I want to address those. Each session will be about 60 minutes. And if you're doing it live, it's at 1 p.m. Monday through Friday, but you don't have to do it live. Everything's recorded. You get all the resources and replays. You don't have to worry about equipment. Day 2, we're showing you how to look and sound good with the gear or stuff that you already have, whether it's a smartphone, a webcam, a laptop, an iPhone, whatever, it doesn't matter. On day 3, you can look at our 3-part lesson framework and discover video hacks that are designed to make you sound natural and be confident and clear. So if you are camera shy like me, no need to worry. We're going to walk you through all that. All the sessions are recorded. The replays are available right after the live recording. You can revisit, catch up if you miss a session, or review at your own pace. Now, you've probably tried this before, and I want to tell you how this is going to be different. A lot of programs will talk about theory. We're going to talk about execution and actually doing it together. So it's not just learning about course creation, it's doing it live with me as your guide. This is a dedicated workspace and a workshop to get your course done. Now, if you don't have an audience yet or don't know what to teach, this workshop is primarily about the creation of your course, not necessarily the launch. However, my methods will help you clarify your message and define your target student, your target audience, making your course more marketable. And we'll focus on what you know and how to structure it effectively. Let's get those ideas, let's get that expertise out of your head and into the world. There are a bunch of really cool bonuses. One is my AI toolkit. Another one is the AI video script generator that will crank out 31 ready to record scripts based on your course topic. I've also got a custom GPT and a camera confidence crash course that you get as a bonus. I'm going to jump over to the custom GPT just for a second, just to show you that. This is a course creation custom GPT in ChatGPT that you'll get access to so that you can go in here anytime and use it just like ChatGPT, but it's specifically geared towards course creation. So if you want to ask about pricing or structure or anything like that, I can ask about pricing. How do I price and launch my course with confidence? And you'll see ChatGPT start to reply here. And it's going to show you all kinds of different cool options, give you ideas and resources and inspiration to get this stuff done. A lot of folks get hung up on what to charge part. So the course creation console today, ChatGPT will help you with that. In addition, there's another unannounced bonus, which is my course creator. This is an app that I created in Lovable, and this will help walk you through that CRED framework that I talk about: create, record, edit, and distribute. Just click on Start New Course, and it'll walk you through the process one module at a time, one section at a time. And you can save it as you go and add modules, and we'll walk you through that inside the course as well. Okay, coming back to our lovely little sales page here. This is for coaches, consultants, experts who are ready to stop stalling and start selling. Entrepreneurs that want to be seen, trusted, and paid for your expertise. Not really for people who are perfectionists and who are spending an hour on every slide, or anybody that thinks you're just going to press a button and have AI do all the work. You're going to walk away with your entire course recorded, organized, ready to sell, a repeatable workflow built on my CRED system, a setup that looks professional without costing a fortune, and the confidence to finally hit publish without cringing. So check it out. It's $297 before the course begins on Monday. After that, when it's a self-paced course, it's going to go up to $497. So jump in now. Everything's recorded. All the resources are available 24/7. And there are more frequently asked questions on here. But I think it's time to get that course out of your head and into the world so that you can monetize and make some money, especially if you've had a course or a product sitting on your hard drive for months. It's not going to finish itself, but I built this workshop to get you out of your head, on camera confidently, and finally getting paid for what you know. So I am thrilled to do this with you. I hope you'll jump in. I'll put the link below, and we hope to see you on Monday. Thanks, and bye for now.